So I've changed my text back in my Dreamweaver file. So I've now got, this is my first website, my picture of Humpty Dumpty, and I've changed the size to 360 high by 300 wide. I've still got the alt thing in here, which is fine, so I've got no errors. And what I want to do now is I want to have this to looking a little bit different. What I'd quite like is the Humpty Dumpty to be in the middle of the page with the nursery rhyme Humpty Dumpty appearing underneath it. So let's start changing that. So I don't want it to say this is my first website anymore. So underneath I'm going to write in Humpty Dumpty, which if you can't remember it, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Notice I'm hitting the return to make it go into a new line. So all the king's horses. So all the king's horses and all the king's men. Okay, so I've got now Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall, all the king's horses, all the king's men couldn't be Humpty together again. On 5 different lines underneath the picture of Humpty Dumpty, which should be 360 by 300. Okay, I want to see that, so preview in Google Chrome, save to change to the website, yes. Oh, well, the writing's there, but it's all in one great long line, which isn't what I wanted. I wanted it I wanted it on 5 different lines, and I wanted it underneath the picture of Humpty Dumpty. So that's not what I wanted it to do. Go back to Dreamweaver. The reason for this is if you want to go into a new line on a website, you need to tell it that that's what you want to do. So if in here I now put in a BR, okay, hang on, it's trying to sort it out for me. So a closing / and a BR. Okay, if I now look at that, that has now caused that to stop and go back to the beginning. So every time you want to go back to the beginning of the page, you need to put in a BR. Okay, so if I go through these quickly as I can. So it's copying and pasting, goes in, and after the image, and then have a look at that. It's now doing part of what I want to do, which is it's got the Humpty Dumpty, and underneath on 5 separate lines it's now got the writing that I want.